what we do here is go back.
Cleaned, tires, get these tires degreased, wheels on side, everywhere around. So that's what I'm going to be using, 3 brushes and then my degreaser. And let's go. Alright, so they're all cleaned up now. Inside they're a little stained on some spots, so that's why I like that. It's as clean as it gets. Nothing, well, my gloves are dirty, but nothing like comes off of that anymore. That's just stained. And then the wheels came out clean. All the brake dust from the front face of the wheels came off. It's just on the inner barrel. They didn't come all the way off. They're like a bit stained. So to get that fully cleaned off, if you want to get these looking back to new inside the barrel, you're gonna have to like take off these wheels and then clean them really good with degreaser, and then clay them, then polish them and get them really brand new again. But for a detailed foam wash, got vacuum, mini interior detail, no stains removed. Clean door jambs all around, clean windows in and out. Tires dressed, clean, inside barrels, everything. This Awkward got a detailed foam wash and mini interior detail, which is our maintenance package. All the bugs removed in the front. Tires looking really nice and shiny. Got dressing. Door panels wiped down. Dashboard wiped down. All center console wiped down. Full vacuum. Again, the door jambs cleaned. All vacuumed. Looking all nice again. Exhaust tip cleaned. All nice. That's it for today. Last one of today.